Hello everyone, welcome back to RX Prodigy. Today we are going to study cytoplasm. This is the second video of structure and function of cell video series. In this video we will learn about cytoplasm and different organelles present in the cell. We have studied introduction of cell and cell theory and plasma membrane in previous video. You can find the link of previous video in description box. So let's start today's session of cytoplasm. So we know that cytoplasm is the fluid portion present inside the cell. The cytoplasm is divided into two components. First is cytosol and second organelles. The cytosol is the fluid portion present in the cytoplasm, and this cytosol contains water, and the percentage of water present in cytosol is of 75 to 90%, and the remaining portion of cytosol contains ions, amino acids, proteins, then lipids, ATP, and other waste products are also present in the cytosol. The next component of cytoplasm are the organelles. Okay, so different kind of organelles are present inside the cytoplasm. So some are enlisted here like ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, smooth and rough, then Golgi complex and mitochondria, nucleus is present in the cytoplasm. So we will see all these organelles one by one. In that, first is ribosome. We know that the granular matter, small granules present inside the cytoplasm is nothing but the ribosome. Okay, so these ribosomes can be present in free form or they may be attached with the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so the ribosomes which are attached with the endoplasmic reticulum, then they are known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now, these ribosomes are the tiny granules composed of RNA and protein. Okay, in the diagram, you can see that ribosome is composed of two kind of subunits. The upper one is large subunit and lower one is small subunit. So the ribosome synthesize protein with the help of amino acid and RNA. You can see the large subunit and small subunit. The amino acid chain get attached with the mRNA section and forms the protein. So the free units of ribosomes in the cytoplasm makes the protein. The main function of ribosome is to synthesize protein. Okay, so there are two kind of ribosome present in the cytoplasm. One is present in free form and they are present inside the cytosol. When they synthesize the protein, that protein is utilized for cell itself. Okay, and whenever the ribosomes are present on the rough endoplasmic reticulum or nuclear envelope, and when they synthesize the protein, that protein is utilized for other that protein will be export out of the cell and utilized for other working processes. So the next organelle of cell is endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, it is the series of interconnecting membranous canals in the cytoplasm. Okay, you can see in the diagram two types of endoplasmic reticulums are present inside the cell, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so there are two types of endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum lacks the ribosome. The ribosomes are not present on the surface of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. But in rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are present on their surface. Okay, now the difference between rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, we have studied rough endoplasmic reticulum in which the ribosomes are present on the surface of endoplasmic reticulum, whereas in smooth endoplasmic reticulum ribosomes are not present on the surface. Okay, now in rough endoplasmic reticulum you can correlate the diagram. In rough endoplasmic reticulum, the uh, flattened sacs are present which are connected with each other, but in smooth endoplasmic reticulum they are the tubules which are get connected with each other. So the uh, formation of rough endoplasmic reticulum is of sac, flattened sac, and smooth endoplasmic reticulums are the tubules. Okay, then next, function of rough and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes and secretes protein and hormones. Okay, so rough endoplasmic reticulum RER secretes and synthesizes the proteins in liver, whereas the hormones are secreted and synthesized by RER in the glands. Okay, then smooth endoplasmic reticulum are important for the production of lipids and phospholipids widely. Okay, now these phospholipids or lipids are important for the cell membrane formation. Okay, then in RER, the rough endoplasmic reticulum is prominent in cells where protein synthesis happen. In the previous point we have seen rough endoplasmic reticulum is important for the synthesis of protein in the liver. So it will synthesize protein inside the liver, so they will be present in the hepatocyte. Now what is hepatocytes? Hepatocytes are the cells of liver. These are the liver cells. Okay, then smooth endoplasmic reticulum, they transports the products of rough endoplasmic reticulum to other cellular organelles, especially the Golgi apparatus. Okay, in rough endoplasmic reticulum, we have seen they synthesizes protein and they fold protein. Okay, so these are the main function of RER, protein synthesis and protein folding. And apart from these, the protein sorting is also done by rough endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum stores and releases calcium ions. Then Golgi complex. Golgi complex consists of flattened sac-like structure. These are the membranous sacs present inside the Golgi apparatus. Okay, about 3 to 20 cisternae are present in the Golgi apparatus. Now again, cisternae are nothing but the flattened sac-like portion present in the Golgi complex. Okay, now it is present in all cells but is larger in those cells that synthesize and export proteins. The protein which is manufactured or synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum will be further stored in the vesicle and transported to the Golgi apparatus, and now this Golgi apparatus will send the protein with the help of secretory vesicle towards the plasma membrane. Okay, so proteins move from endoplasmic reticulum to Golgi apparatus and are packaged. You can see the proteins are moved from endoplasmic reticulum to Golgi apparatus and are packaged. They are packaged in membrane bound vesicles. These vesicles are known as secretory granules. Okay, the vesicles are stored and when needed move to the plasma membrane through which the proteins are exported. Okay, so you can see in the pictorial way how the protein is synthesized by the RER, then it is transported by transport vesicle to Golgi apparatus and then it will move towards plasma membrane. Okay, we will see this for one by one. In the first, you can see the numbers 1. In the towards the number 1 you can see the synthesized protein is get packaged into the secretory vesicles. These are also known as the transport vesicles. Now this transport vesicle moves towards cis moves towards cis cistern, cis cistern. Okay, now what is cis cistern? It is the entry phase cistern through which the transport vesicle will enter inside the Golgi apparatus. Okay, now from entry phase cistern it will move towards medial cistern where different kind of enzymes are present, okay, where they get hydrolyzed, they will get processed out, and from the transfer vesicle they will move towards entry exit phase cistern. Now exit phase cistern are called as trans cistern. Transcistern, okay. When they come when the protein come in the exit phase cistern, it will again packaged into transport vesicle, and this transport vesicle is now known as lysosome. Okay, the lysosome is the cell organelle which is nothing but the transport vesicle which carries protein. Okay, now this transport vesicle will goes to the plasma membrane, and it will get transport to it will get exported out from the cell by the process exocytosis. Now what is exocytosis? It is the removal of the material from the cell. Okay, so these are the steps for the process of transportation of protein. Okay, now next organelle of the cell is lysosome. Lysosomes are membrane enclosed vesicles that form from the Golgi complex. We have seen in the process of transportation of protein from a rough endoplasmic reticulum to Golgi complex. From the exit cistern, the protein will be packaged in the transport vesicle. Now this transport vesicle will be labeled as the lysosome which carries protein. Okay, so it is the membrane bound structure which carries protein as well as hydrolytic enzymes. Okay, lysosome inside as many as 60 kind of powerful digestive and hydrolytic enzymes are present, and that can hydrolyze large molecules like RNA, DNA, amino acids and proteins. You can see in the diagram the structure of lysosome. So the lysosome works best at an acidic pH, that is pH 5, and are inactivated at neutral pH. The function of lysosome is to carry protein, and they also contains hydrolytic enzymes. Different digestive enzymes are present, and their enzymes are best work at pH 5, but they are inactivated at neutral pH, that is pH 7. Okay, now the next most important organelle of cell is mitochondria. We have studied that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Why is this so? Because the membrane bound mitochondria is important for the production of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, and we know that ATP is the main energy source for the cell, for the growth of cell, for energy of the cell. Okay, and because of this the mitochondria is known as powerhouse of cell. Okay, you can see in the structure that mitochondria is a membrane bound structure. It is divided in the membrane of mitochondria is divided into two parts, outer membrane and inner membrane. Okay, and inside the mitochondria there is gel like portion present, and that gel like substance is known as matrix, where the production of ATP takes place. Now the size of mitochondria is about 0.5 to 1 micrometer, and there are too many mitochondria are present inside a single cell. According to the need of energy, number of mitochondria may get vary in each cell. Then functions of mitochondria. The main function of mitochondria is oxidative phosphorylation. Apart from this, it regulates the metabolic activity of cell. It promotes growth of new cells and multiplication. Then detoxification of ammonia in liver cell. It plays important role in apoptosis or programmed cell death. Then it maintains the concentration of calcium ion within the compartment of cell, and It involved in various cellular activities like cellular differentiation, cell signaling, cell senescence, controlling the cell cycle, and also cell growth. So here we have completed all the cell organelles present in the cytoplasm. In the next video, we will discuss about the nucleus and other facts of cell. Thank you for watching.